This is an app that scrapes data from a Romanian motorcycle online shop called drtrotinete.ro. The app is built in Python using requests and a beautiful submodule, and it runs very fast and stable. After each loop, it scrapes the data and creates a CSV. Let me show you how it works. So I just started, and it iterates after each category, finishes the category, goes to the next one, and so on until it scrapes all links or product links and saves them to an Excel file. The Excel file looks like this, which contains name, category, price, images, product URL, and so forth, SKUs, and so forth. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.